Here's what to do if you have a lock that is sticky, like the key has trouble going in or it gets stuck trying to open or close, and it's just starting to feel like it's getting old. Rule number one, never put anything liquid in it. Some people will reflexively spray WD-40 in it, and that's a good way to wreck your lock. It'll loosen it up in the beginning, but then dirt will stick to it and it'll just get all nasty and gummed up because it's a liquid. So you want to take your lock, and then what I use is graphite. I've had this same tube of graphite for 20 years. So once you get some of this stuff, it'll last forever because it doesn't take much. And then you take your graphite and you put it everywhere that there's a moving part. So in this case, there's a slider up here that I want to lubricate, and then especially you want to get into the keyhole. And it doesn't take much, just a little bit in the hole. And then work it around with the key. And you'll feel it. I mean, it's amazing. It feels like new. There's no resistance now. And then on the top side, do the same thing for the little pin that slides when we close the lock. And then just work it out. Unlock it and lock it a whole bunch of times. And you'll feel it get looser and looser. And it should be good for a year or two after that. Oh yeah, that's ready to go. And that's it. That's what you do with a sticky lock. This works on door locks. It works on car locks. It works on all kinds of locks that have the, the standard key goes into the whole mechanism. And the graphite just sits in there and makes everything slip.